Good morning, class 11th. So from the question number 8 we have to start. Now 8th question is, show that for any sets A and B, A is equals to A intersection B union A minus B. This I will show with the help of the Venn diagram. Now listen. First part, suppose this will be the set A and this will be the set B. Okay. He said that A intersection B part is this only, common part. A intersection B, this one. A intersection B and A minus B part. A minus B part means the complete of A minus B part, this one. This one part. So what is the union of A intersection B and A minus B part? Means this complete, and it will be equals to which one? A only. So our Venn diagram will simply show that it will be equal to A. Now second one is what? Second one is saying that A union B minus A. B minus A. This will be the part of B minus A. This is the part of A minus B. So B minus A is this one. B minus A and A, the union of this. A1 saying that this one will be the A set complete. So what is the union of this? The complete set of A union B will be the union of this set. It will be A union B minus A will be equals to what? A union, and this will be set B only. So it will be showed that it will be equals to A union B. So by Venn diagram we can simply show that. Now question number 9. Ninth question is, first property, using property show that A union A intersection B, A union A intersection B, A intersection B will be equals to A. This we have to show. So here I applied the distributive property. So what is it? A union A and intersection A union B. I applied the distributive property here. First this will be with this, then second will be with this. Now what is A union A? Means all the elements of A should come. So A union A will be equals to A only. Intersection A intersection B. Now see that by the Venn diagram you can show this one. This will be A, this will be B. A and B. A part, this one. And A intersection B, this common part. What is the intersection of both these things? Means A only. This A set will be formed only, and this we have to prove. Now second one part is A intersection A union B. A intersection A union B, we have to prove it will be equals to A. So A intersection A union A intersection B. So A intersection A means what? A part only, union A intersection B. Again I will show with the Venn diagram. If this will be A, this will be B. So A intersection B, this one again, and A will be this. So what is the A union A intersection B? The same thing, A set only. So this also we proved. Question number 9. Now question number 10th. Tenth question. Tenth question is, show that A intersection B is equals to A intersection C. It should become equal. So I will take a set A01 I will take A will be the set will be 0 1, then B will be set, I will take 0, 2, 3, and C will be I take as a 0, 4, 5. Let's see what is the A intersection B. What is the A intersection B? What is the common part? It will be 0. Okay, A intersection B coming is 0. And what is the A intersection C is also coming? A intersection C, if you see that. A intersection C, this and this common part again 0 coming. Means both the sets are equal. Here if you see that A intersection B and A intersection C is equal. Now he is saying that it means B and C will be equal. It will not equal. So that we have to imply not imply, means B and C are not equal. If we see that B and C 0, 0, 4 and 5 different elements are there. So B and C will be not equal. This I showed. Now question number 11th, a good question, 11th one. Eleventh question is, let A and B sets if A intersection X will be equals to B intersection X will be equals to 5, and A union X is equals to B union X for some set X, show that A equals to B. Hint is also given, we can use this one, A union is equals to A union X. This will be equal to A. This is the property, A union A intersection A union X. Okay, if I use this one, in the place of A union X, what I can write? In the place of A union X, I can write B union X also. Okay, A intersection B union X. Now split it, A intersection B union A intersection X. Now A intersection X is what? It is given in the question. A intersection X will be equals to what? 5. 5 set. A intersection B is there. A intersection B. A intersection B and A intersection X. Here this one as it is. And this one will be the 5. Means A intersection B part union 5. So what is the union of this? A intersection B part union 5. The union is what? A intersection B only. So make this is the equation number 1. Here A is there. Okay. Now second one I use this one. B is equals to B intersection B union C. Now B is equals to B intersection B union X. So in the place of B union X, what I can write? A union X I can write. Now multiplied inside B intersection using distributive law, B intersection A and B intersection X. Now B intersection A we can write, and this will be B intersection X is 5 only, and the union of this is what? B intersection A. It will be equals to this. Now see equation number 1 and 2. A intersection B, B intersection A, both the same thing. Right hand side are equal means what? Left hand side are also equal. So by first and second, A equals to B I can write. So this will be the answer only. Now last question for the today class, 12th one. If A, B and C such set that A intersection B, B intersection C and A intersection C are non-empty set. Look at that. 12th one, last question. If I take A is the 0, 1 and I take B will be 1, 2 and C I will take as a 2, 0. So you say that A intersection B, what is the A intersection B? The common part is 1, non-empty set. Then B intersection C, common part is 2. Then A intersection C, common part is 0. They all are non-empty set. Okay, all are non-empty set. Then show that set A intersection B intersection C will be 5. Means the common part in all the 3 sets is what? What is the common in all the 3 sets? If you see that A intersection B intersection C will be what? If you see that nothing is the common. If 0 is here, but here is not. 1 is here and here, but 1 is not there. So nothing is common. This I proved here. So after that only 4 questions are left that we discuss in the next class, and after that I complete the chapter and start the second chapter, relation and function. Thank you all of you. Thank you class.